it's James from Gateshead Harley-Davidson, and I'd like to show you a video of this 2023 model year Fat Bob we now have in stock.
So here it is, the 2023 Fat Bob, finished in the two-tone vivid black in Grey Haze paint. Absolutely stunning looking bike in this paint combination. This bike is one owner from new, with full service history. Manufacturer's warranty till the beginning of 2025, which is fully extendable with ourselves. Stage 1 this bike to allow the addition of the Cobra Slip-Ons. Just really finish this side of the bike off, and obviously giving it that traditional Harley grunt. Beautiful condition this bike, which is credit to its previous owner. Forward controls is standard on this bike, and it's also pillion ready. .114 engine, so great pulling power. Just an all-round great fun bike to ride, whether it's touring or just for those summer Sundays heading up the coast.
So thank you for watching. That was the video on the 2023 Grey Haze Fat Bob we currently have in stock. If you'd like any more information on this model or any other models we have, please check us out on our website at ironcitymotorcycles.co.uk.